Hello students, we are going to start our fourth structural effect, that is tautomerism. Okay, first we see what is tautomerism. In this effect, the atom is shifted from one carbon atom or heteroatom to next atom via sigma bond so as to give formation of new pi bond known as tautomerism. Now, how it takes place? The breaking of C alpha H bond takes place in such manner that the hydrogen atom is directly migrated to next atom via sigma as well as pi bond, and we are getting different structures. The formed structures are known as tautomers. Okay, means in tautomerism cleavage of C alpha H bond takes place in such manner that the hydrogen atom does not remain at the same position but it get migrated. Now we are taking its examples. Now see in this slide, this is acetaldehyde first structure. This is CH3 C double bond OH. This is called as acetaldehyde, right? Acetaldehyde molecule. This molecule contains C double bond O carbonyl group, and that's why it is called as keto form. Again I will repeat, acetaldehyde molecular formula is this is CH3 group, this is C double bond O, and this is H. As acetaldehyde contains this carbonyl group C double bond O, similar to ketone. Ketone मध्ये आपण C double bond O पाहतो. So acetaldehyde contains C carbon double bond oxygen. That's why this form of acetaldehyde is called as keto form. That is CH3 C double bond O and H. Now focus on this CH3. This carbon is now attached to which group? C double bond O group, and this is our alpha carbon atom, right? CH3 group alpha इथे लिहिलेलं नाही, तो हा कुठला ग्रुप आहे? CH3 C double bond C single bond H. Now the hydrogen present in this CH3 group is break, that is C alpha H bond is break along with this hydrogen. This is migrated here इथे, आणि ह्या स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये काय कुठला बॉन्ड तयार झालेला असेल? आता डबल बॉन्ड सिस्टीम. Then this carbon double bond oxygen system, this pi bond is migrated on this oxygen along with hydrogen atom of this carbon, that is CH3, and C double bond O is now get converted into C single bond OH. Again I will repeat, या CH3 ग्रुप मध्ये असणारा हायड्रोजन हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होईल इथे येईल, हा डबल बॉन्ड झालेला असेल, हा सिंगल बॉन्ड इथे जाईल, हा सिंगल डबल बॉन्ड मध्ये कन्वर्ट कशा झाला? सिंगल बॉन्ड. Means this single bond system is converted into double bond system, and this carbon double bond oxygen system is now converted into carbon single bond oxygen. So this hydrogen comes from this carbon, and that's why hydrogen atom from this carbon is migrated towards oxygen, and we are getting conversion of keto form into enol. Keto form into what? Enol. आता याला इनॉल का म्हणायचं? So This is carbon double bond carbon system. कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन म्हणजे तो काय झाला अल्किन. अल्किन लिहिताना आपण काय लिहितो सफिक्स en in. Okay, to this carbon atom OH group is attached, means this belongs to class of compound that is alcohol, and alcohol is denoted or written in the form of suffix ol. That's why this is in carbon double bond carbon system, and this is OH OL. That's why this form is called as a enol form. Which one that is enol? So in case of acetaldehyde, CH3 group is attached to C double bond O, that is keto form, and bond cleavage between carbon and H takes place in such manner that hydrogen is migrated towards oxygen atom. That's why keto form is get converted into enol form, and the overall effect is called as tautomerism, or indirectly it is called as a keto-enol tautomerism. So migration of alpha hydrogen atom takes place from carbon atom to oxygen atom, so that keto form is get converted into enol form, and focus on this denoted by this such type of arrow, that is single headed arrow shown for the equilibrium condition, that is keto form is get converted into enol form. This is example of tautomerism related with acetaldehyde. We are taking here second example, that is acetone. आता acetone आणि acetaldehyde मध्ये काय फरक आहे, तर इथे C डबल बॉन्ड OH आहे आणि इथे काय आहे C डबल बॉन्ड OCH3. दोन्ही बाजूला कुठले ग्रुप आहेत, CH3 येतात. Again, this acetone is involved present in the form of keto form. This is 99% structure, that is keto form, C double bond O, carbonyl group, ketone सारखा group आहे म्हणून याला आपण कुठला फॉर्म म्हणतो, keto form. To this C double bond O, this is CH3 group, alpha carbon atom. This is CH3 group, alpha carbon atom containing. या दोन्ही कार्बनला अल्फा का म्हणतोय, तर हे दोन्ही कशाला अटॅच झालेले आहेत, तर सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ सिस्टीमला, कार्बोनिक सिस्टीमला. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट अल्फा कार्बन एटम, this is second alpha carbon atom, and hydrogen from this alpha carbon atom is migrated towards this along with sigma electrons. म्हणजे हा सिंगल बॉन्ड या स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये काय झाला, डबल बॉन्ड. Then this C double bond O is migrated towards this along with hydrogen atom, and we are getting this OH. So this is enol form and this is keto form. So acetone shows such type of structure, that is keto-enol tautomerism. Is it right? So breaking of C alpha H bond takes place from alpha carbon atom towards oxygen atom, and migration takes place, so that the overall effect is called as tautomerism. Then third example, acetone आणि aldehyde दोन्ही स्ट्रक्चर कशी होती, असायक्लिक स्ट्रक्चर. इज इट राईट, असायक्लिक म्हणजे स्ट्रेट चेन स्ट्रक्चर आहे. कीटो फॉर्म या इनॉल फॉर्म मध्ये कन्वर्ट झाला, OH. So third example is cyclohexanone. हेक्झॅनोन. आता हेक्झॅनोन कसं आहे ते समजून घ्या. स्ट्रक्चर हेक्झेन 1 2 3 4 5 आणि 6 हे हेक्झेन स्ट्रक्चर आहे, आणि ONE stands for ketone. This is C double bond O, keto form, that is ketonic form. This is the first structure, is a keto form of cyclohexanone. Now which are the alpha carbon atom? This is alpha carbon atom, this is alpha carbon atom. This is now not CH3 group, this is CH2 group. This is also CH2 group. Now this keto form, this CH2 group contains, this is alpha carbon atom and here one H. This carbon atom is migrated towards the direction, we are getting double bond, and this double bonded system is migrated here, we are getting conversion of this single bond double bond system into a single bond system. So this is cyclohexenol. This is the enol form and this is the keto form. So in case of cyclohexanone, keto form is get converted into enol. So in case of tautomerism, breaking of C alpha H bond takes place in such manner that the keto form is get converted into enol. Again I will repeat. Those system is single bonded. हा single bond होता तो कशात कन्वर्ट झाला डबल बॉन्ड. सिग्मा बॉन्ड येऊन इथे नवीन सिग्मा बॉन्ड आला म्हणजे पाय बॉन्ड तयार झाला आणि इथला पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर मायग्रेटेड टुवर्ड्स ऑक्सिजन in this way. So keto form is get converted into enol form. We are taking another next example. So this is another example of ketoenol equilibrium or ketoenol tautomerism. See this one. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Name of this compound याचं नाव काय आहे पेंटेन 2,4 डायनोन. आता समजून घ्या पेंटेन पेंटेन का 1 2 3 4 आणि 5 एका चेन मध्ये 5 कार्बन ॲटम आहेत म्हणून तो पेंटेन आहे. डाय ONE. ONE stands for this ketonic group. This is also ketonic group. Means how many number of keto groups? There is 2 ketonic group. 2 आहेत म्हणून डायनोन. आणि सेकंड फोर्थ का या कार्बन नंतर हा सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ एकमेकांना आहे सेकंड फोर्थ आणि म्हणून याला म्हटलं जातं पेंटेन 2,4 डायनो. नाव सी विच आर द अल्फा कार्बन ॲटम्स. आता किती हा अल्फा आहे हा अल्फा आहे आणि हा सुद्धा अल्फा आहे. इज इट राईट? So it contains 3 alpha carbon atom. But this central one CH2 group containing alpha carbon atom is more reactive because त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूने या मी जिथे एरो दाखवतोय त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूने कार्बोनिल ग्रुप आहेत म्हणून हा जास्त ऍक्टिव्ह आहे. That's why these alpha hydrogen atoms are get migrated so as to give this keto form into such type of enol, that is enol form. आणि म्हणून हा मेजर आहे 76% इनॉल फॉर्म तयार होतो. आणि त्याचं हा जास्त का तयार होतो तर ते पुढच्या स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये पहा. नेक्स्ट वन स्ट्रक्चर कसं तयार झालेलं आहे पहा. नाव दिस इज इनॉल. इनॉलचं स्ट्रक्चर हे पहा OH असा लिहिलंय इथे OH ग्रुप. देन दिस hydrogen atom is migrated. OH group, this chain is migrated here, this is migrated here and this is minus. So this bond, new bond formation takes place between hydrogen and oxygen and that's why this hydrogen bond stabilizes this enol form. This is called as a resonance stabilization. आता resonance stabilization का तर पहा इथे नॉन बॉन्डेड पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इथे डबल बॉन्ड तयार झाला. हा पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन इथे मायग्रेट झाला. इथे कुठेही सिग्मा बॉन्ड किंवा सिग्मा इलेक्ट्रॉन इन्व्हॉल्व झालेले नाहीयेत म्हणून याला आपण रेझोनन्स स्टॅबिलायझेशन म्हणतोय. आणि हा जो नवीन बॉन्ड तयार झालाय बॉन्ड बिटवीन हायड्रोजन अँड ऑक्सिजन ॲटम, दिस बॉन्डिंग इज कॉल्ड एज हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. सो दिस इनॉल फॉर्म, this enol form is 76% stabilized by which effect? Resonance effect. So this is the tautomerism observed in pentane 2,4 dinon. दोन कीटो ग्रुप आहे तर डायनोन ग्रुप आहे. So next, so this is about a tautomerism. पुन्हा एकदा ऑब्झर्व करा तर कीटो इनॉल टॉटोमेरिझम मध्ये पर्टिक्युलरली साधं एक्झाम्पल आपण सुरुवातीला घेतलं ॲसिटाल्डिहाइड. ॲसिटाल्डिहाइड मधला तर हा हायड्रोजन अल्फा आहे का? नाही, डायरेक्ट या कार्बनला देतात. अल्फा हायड्रोजन कुठे असतील? इथे या CH3 ग्रुपमध्ये असणारे हायड्रोजन. These hydrogens are migrated towards this and keto form is get converted into enol form. This overall effect is called as tautomerism. And now those two structures are formed. This is the keto form and this is enol form. Keto and enol. These two structures are developed called as tautomers. Tautomers means keto formula आणि enol form. Okay, thank you.